What's up guys? Are you looking for the best electric scooter on the market? In today's video, I'll show you the top 5 best electric scooters on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. The product link is given in the description below. For more information, please click on the link. Stay with us till the end of the video, then you will know more about the product. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's get started.
Where are you going? There's a better way to get there. The Unagi scooter, a scooter with soul. Life's too short to let transportation hassles keep you from connecting with the people and places you love. That's why my partners and I fell in love with electric scooters. The thing is, scooter sharing services are a real drag. Unagi is superior because of advanced materials, state-of-the-art technology, precision engineering, and untouchable industrial design. Every single decision has been made with the rider in mind. From the multiple LEDs to keep you safe at night, to the invisible kickstand, to our patented one-click hinge. Thanks to the magnesium alloy handlebar and Toray carbon fiber tube, the Unagi is ultra lightweight. It's perfectly minimalist in its aesthetic, but built for maximum strength and durability. The deck machined from a single block of aluminum. No seams, traction tape, or gritty finishes. And thanks to its painstakingly flawless paint job, it's ultra smooth. Simply beautiful. Wheels that are not only puncture-proof, but provide suspension thanks to air pockets ingeniously embedded throughout the tire circumference. The result is a perfect balance of comfort and responsiveness. Custom-designed motors deliver effortless power. Choose from a single 250-watt motor for flatter urban areas, or our epic 450-watt dual motor model with additional torque for hillier terrain. We wanted to own the perfect scooter, a scooter that empowers us to dive into our local culture with total ease and killer style. We made Unagi because it's the scooter that we wanted. Now, you can have it too.
What moves you? We spend over 20,000 hours of our lives getting from one place to another. How are you spending that time? Do you feel inspired? Do you feel free? We want you to take control of these moments. It's time you traveled your way. It's time you owned your journey. It's time for something different. Meet the Raine 1. We set out to design the best scooter in the world, to give you the freedom to go anywhere and have fun while you're doing it. We've given the Raine 1 more speed and power than anything else in its class. Other scooters talk about performance, safety and range, but just don't cut it. It's time for a scooter to take you all the way. Lightweight, powerful, smart. We've built the Raine 1 from the ground up, featuring Polyshock suspension, ABS and disc brakes. This is the safest, smartest scooter on the market. With regen braking, it even recharges the battery when you slow down. We also designed the Raine 1 with security in mind. Not only does it have a retractable lock, we're also connecting it to your smartphone, so if someone moves it, you'll know about it. Made from carbon fiber and aircraft-grade aluminium, the Raine 1 is lightweight, making it easy to carry and store. But not only is the Raine 1 efficient, it's built for performance. You don't always finish work when the sun's up. That's why we designed a scooter with the brightest headlights and taillights on the market. So when it's dark out, you can always see and be seen.